Okay, I got this fan for free. May as well just been garbage. Found it in the yard where I got my new dryer because this one quit. And I found this in the yard laying face down like that in the yard. And yeah, I grabbed it. And mostly for the blade and whatever else I can use off of it. It's pretty banged up. I had to bend this side back in because the blade kept hitting it. Right there's dented real bad. I didn't think this thing, really, I didn't think it would work, but to my surprise, the fan works. I didn't think it would. Get the freaking thing to stay up. There's medium. Anyway. Whoa. Yeah, it works perfectly fine. Didn't think that would happen here. Guess that's a testament to Lakewood quality, even in later ones. I'm kind of shocked by this stupid thing. Usually these cheaper fans don't make it this far and still work. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.